Jose Rizal, our national hero, wasn't just a genius writer or a revolutionary, he also had a seriously spicy love life. Before he even stepped foot in Europe, Rizal had already fallen in love multiple times. His first love, Segunda Katibak, a sweet, charming girl he met when he was just 16. But plot twist, she was already engaged to someone else. It was young love, innocent and painful. Then came Leonor Valenzuela, a neighbor during his time in Intramuras. Rizal wrote her secret love letters using invisible ink. Yes, invisible ink. She needed to heat the paper to read his messages. A total nerd, moved but undeniably romantic. But the most serious among his early loves was Leonor Rivera, his distant cousin. Their love story lasted nearly a decade. Despite long-distance struggles and strict parents' option, she becomes an inspiration for Maria Clara in Nolme Tangering, the ultimate Filipina heroine.